That's some cool rocks. Love the old rocks. Right, here we go then with another one. It's a bit foggy. It says it's going to be sunny, but I think that's a lie. We're on Bardon Hill, the highest point in Leicestershire, 912 feet. Let's do it. Yep, so the highest point in Leicestershire today, Bardon Hill, and apparently it's the eroded remains of an old volcano. So it's a 32-acre SSSI, this is Special Site of Scientific Interest, and believe it or not, there's 133 different breeds of spider on Bardon Hill. Not one of the most glamorous summits, that's for sure. It's a trig point. It's got to be done. So that's one of the radio masts built for outside broadcasting by the BBC, and apparently it links to the Sutton coalfield mast. Well, there you go, that's the summit of Bardon Hill. Got it, I can't see anything. Really wanted to see the quarry and the views, but caked with cloud. So, that's the chance you take, I'm afraid. Yeah, I'm going to have to come back and get some views of the quarry. Been in operation for over 400 years, the quarry has, and it produces 15% of all the rocks produced in Britain. 15%, over 3 million tonnes every year still produced at Bardon Hill Quarry. Yeah, I'll try and come back and do this one in better weather. I plan on doing that on a few of them. Like, I'll be back to Bardon Hill and like back to Slough, things like that, when the weather's a bit better. Pretty gutted about the views today. I said it'd be sunny. Well, I've hung around for about half an hour and it's just not clearing. So can't use the drone today, unfortunately. So that just proves what the weather people know, look. Apparently Bardon Hill is sunny and clear, so make of that what you will. That's some cool rocks. Love the old rocks. Yeah, shame about the views. I bet there's some cracking views up here. That's a great place for a lunch break. I have to remember that when I come back. So the old geology facts of the day then. Igneous, volcanic and Mercia mudstone. I can't pronounce the actual form, I'll put it on the screen for you there. It's from the Precambrian age, formed around 600 million years ago. Right, time check. Just 2¼ mile. It's only a 3 miler this one. Oh, really short hike today. That's it then guys, I'm all wrapped up with another one. Shame about the views, but as I say, you can't win them all. That was Bardon Hill, so peace, see you on the next one. There you go, that's the shortest one I think I've ever done, that. 3 miles on the nose. I mean, the weather report says sunny today round here. I think they're jesting. Maybe it's because we're in Leicester, the jester from Leicester. You gotta be a snooker fan to know what I'm on about there. Reminds me of the weather today, that turd. There you go, Merry Christmas.